Hello everyone, I would like to welcome our tourism products operator who has joined our small private WhatsApp group. Selamat datang, selamat datang, selamat datang. Well, the objective of this group is to provide step-by-step guidance and support in creating innovative, creating competitive tourism products tailored for international market. So we will be starting our program soon. But meantime, sabar, please make sure you have followed all these important steps. What steps? Okay, here you go. Alright, first of all, you have to register. Okay, number one, you have to register at 1ws.app. I'm sure you have registered it, but those who have not registered, please register at 1ws.app. Okay, register yourself. That's step number one. Step number two is to update your profile. There's a button to update profile. There are two columns. One is personal profile. One is the business profile. So that you the what do you call it? Other tourism players will be able to see you, to know you, to get to know you. That's very important for you to update your profile. All right. Okay. Number three is to connect all the tourism players who are there at 1WS. How many? It's getting more and more. At the moment now, I just counted roughly about more than 700. It will be thousands soon. Connect them, get to know them, request for connections. Once they approve your connections, you'll be able to connect 24 hours, 365 days for free. Alright, okay. So, meantime, our program will be starting soon. Meantime, think of an idea what kind of products you want to produce, what kind of product you want to create. You can put it on the pitch. There's a project there. Click button project, and you can post it on as a post. You can post it as a post, okay? And we'll be able to see what kind of ideas are you gonna have. Okay, number four. Then now, it's very important. You have to prepare. What kind of products you want, so that you'll be able to move fast. The objective is to create products, innovative and also to creative products for us to push your products at the international market. What kind of products? There's plenty of products. Even the walking tours, cycling tours, class memasak, cooking class, or even a culture, whatsoever. There are so many products that you can create. So share product at the 1WS, and our team will be able to see and to assist you on how you can onboard your product at international market. So again, number one is to register yourself at 1WS. All right. Number two is to update your products. Number three is to connect and also create a post, and be prepared. By the time next, hopefully soon we'll be able to start our program, and we can be able to share all the products, and we can push the products to international market. Of course, when push the international market, it will be a bit more complicated. A lot of negotiations have to be done with the international players. A lot of technical things, and also the connectivity issues, and also the API compatibility, and also inventory. All these things will guide you step by steps. We'll do it for you, and we hope with this initiative you can improve your business, and in addition, bottom line, we can improve our tourism industry by having more quality tourism players. So okay, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and I'll see you as soon as possible.